here. And how many of these am I supposed to sign?
3.
Oh, Ikit. What brings you here?
Sir, kasi nagme-message po ako sa inyo pero hindi po kayo nagre-reply sa akin. Tumatawag din po ako pero hindi niyo rin po sinasagot.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I've just been really busy with work lately.
Ganun po ba?
Yeah, so if you have something to say, better say it, because I have a meeting to attend right now.
Sir, sorry po sa storbo ha. Pero may pinagdadaanan po kasi ako tungkol dun sa nanay ko. Eh, gusto ko lang po sanang libangin yung sarili ko. Sakto po, sir, yung kadimoy ko po. Birthday, nag-i-invite po. Baka pwede niyo po akong samahan. Kasi, siyempre, di ba, bukod kay Miss May, kayo na lang din po yung nakakapagpagaan ng loob ko.
Yeah, I don't think it's a good time. Sorry, I really can't do that right now. But give them my regards, okay?
Sir, kahit saglit lang, singit nyo lang saglit lang sa schedule nyo. Gusto ko lang po nang may kausap tsaka karamay ba.
Ikit, I'm sorry. I just really can't right now. But if you need someone to talk to, why don't you talk to Drew? I'm sure he can help you with whatever you're dealing with. I'm too busy right now and I don't need any distractions.
Sir, sandali lang ah. Bakit ganito? May nasabi po ba akong hindi maganda? Ano, may nagawa ba akong mali? Sabihin mo sa akin.
Come on, Ikit, don't be like that. I don't have the time to argue with you right now. I'm too busy.
Argue? Hindi naman ako nakikipag-argue sa'yo eh. Napapansin ko kasi na parang iniiwasan mo kung may something. Sabihin mo naman sa akin.
Ikit, listen. I'm still your boss, okay? So just do as I say and don't ask any questions.
Tama. Okay po, sir. Una na po ako. Salamat, sir.